Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I just want to apologise for not being active on here for so long. I've just had a lot of stuff going on recently and yeah, life's sort of taken over, so I just want to first apologise for that. But I have got quite a lot to update you guys on. Since we last spoke, I have launched my own lash brand. So I started sort of toying with the idea about a year ago, and it's something that I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to be a brand owner. I'm a massive fan of makeup. I love everything to do with makeup, and I always found it very difficult to apply lashes, find lashes that are comfortable, that apply well and that are affordable. Now we all know the big brands, the big brands that sell lashes for about $20 a piece. As the average person, I could not afford that, so I wanted to bring something that was as luxurious, as wearable, as comfortable, but at a really affordable price. So that's why I launched Wispy Winks. So Wispy Winks is a brand new brand. We are an indie brand, obviously, because I own it myself. We do very luxurious lashes for a really small price point. We have, I think it's about 7 to 8 different styles of lashes at the minute, and I am actually wearing a pair myself now. These are called Whisk Me Away, and they are really fluffy, really comfortable, and just beautiful. I love them. Obviously I would, it's my brand. but yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about that. I will link our website down below, so you can go on there, have a little look, and if you fancy something, you can purchase it. We are very excited about the future, and we're actually doing a PR search at the minute. So if you like my brand, if you like me, follow our Instagram, which will be again linked down below, and send us in a photograph, and follow any steps that we've asked you to follow. I'm really excited for what the future holds for my brand. We've had amazing feedback from everyone, from every customer that we've got. They've said that they will compare them to the big brand lashes. The good thing about Wispy Winks is that we give you a care guide with every single pair of lashes that you buy, explaining how to look after them, how to take them out of the packaging and everything. So you get all that with any purchase that you make with our company. We also sell other stuff like eyelash applicators. These ones are beautiful because they are rose gold, which is gorgeous. And I find these so much easier than tweezers. Don't use tweezers, guys, because it takes one slip and before you know it, you've cut your eyeball. Since us guys last spoke, which I think was back in September, my Instagram has got slightly larger, my following has got slightly larger, which I'm so thankful for. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, I love you, thank you very much. But I've actually been chatting to and working with a couple of brands, and one of the brands that is a standout for me has to be 100% is these guys, and that is, I hope you can see that, Gerard Cosmetics. I've been an affiliate for them since before Christmas, and I'm honest, like, their products are amazing. Like, I wouldn't speak about their products if I didn't believe in them. I'm actually wearing one of their lip products, their highlighter and their setting spray right now, which is amazing, but I'll tell you about it in a minute. So what I thought I'd do is go through my PR box. This is 2 boxes put into one, and I thought I'd show you some of the products, show you what they work like, and we can just have a play around, so keep watching. The first item I'm gonna pull out is this. So this is their Starlet palette, and this is the Starlet palette with Grace, Marilyn and Lucy. So it's like a little highlighter trio palette, and you do get a mirror on there as well. Sorry, I've just blinded you. And these are amazing. I'm actually wearing the highlight right now. But they are just such beautiful shades. They're really pigmented, and yeah, you honestly, like, it probably won't show up on the camera because my lighting's terrible, but I love this. I've been using this so much recently, and it's such a handy size. I just chuck it in my handbag if I want to top up during the day. I'd honestly say this is being used more than my Anastasia highlight, so that must say something. The next product that I'm going to talk to you guys about is the very much loved the Slay Away the Day Makeup Removing Balm from Gerard Cosmetics. As you can tell, I have literally squeezed this to an inch of its life. But I am not joking, this is hands down one of my ride or die products at the minute. It is so amazing. So what it is obviously a makeup removing balm. So what you do is you squeeze it out. It's got coconut oil in it, so it can go a little bit hard, but I just keep mine in a warm room. You squeeze it out, put some in your hand. I warm it up in the palm of my hands first and literally just rub, without, take my lashes off obviously, and literally just rub my whole face. And you just watch the makeup melt off. Oh my god, it's the most satisfying thing in the world. It just melts away, and then you just go to the toilet, or the bar, don't go to the toilet, go to the sink, wash your face, and every single thing is off your eyes, off of your eyeliners off, everything is off. Like, I swear to God, I have literally used this so much, and I'm going to order another one probably today, because it is the best thing I've used. And I've got mine in the scent lavender, because I usually use it before I go to bed, so I'm sleepy. Lavender, yeah. But honestly, do not sleep on this product. Right, so the next thing that I'm going to talk to you guys about is their Hydra Matte liquid lipsticks, and I have got one, two, three, four. I know I've got more. 5, 6. I know I've got more, but I've got 6 of them here for you. They're a great formula. They're not very drying. They're not like cracky and horrible. They're quite, they are matte. They are mattifying, but they're not like crusty, crunchy matte. You know what I mean? They're not horrible to wear on the lips. So I've got these shades 90210. I've got Everything Nice, Immortal, Bare It All, and Share, which is what I've got on my lips right now. Don't they look pretty? This is the shade Immortal. This is a beautiful red shade. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's the shade Immortal, which is the beautiful, beautiful red. And I have actually got the lip liner for that one as well, I think, in this box. Yeah, I do. So I've got the lip liner here as well. And the lip liners are beautiful and creamy, and they shade match perfectly. You know how some brands, they're slightly off, but these are perfect. So that's the shade Immortal. The next I'll go in with Share, the one I have on my lips. This is like a nudie, purpley, mauvey shade. It's beautiful. I really love it. It's like that, you know, like when you want to like do like a cool tone dye, or just like, yeah, I don't know what to say. Basically, I love it. But this is Share, and that's the lip liner that goes with it. It probably looks different on camera than what is actually here, but these two match perfectly. And the lip liners are so buttery and smooth. They're just beautiful. They're almost like, I don't even like the MAC ones now because these have taken over. The next shade I have is Bare It All. This is actually one of my favourite. I say that, but everything I'm going, this is my favourite. But no, this is probably one of my favourite nudes that I've been wearing at the minute. If you go on my Instagram, you'll see that I've tagged this one quite a lot. So this is the shade Bare It All Bare. It's a beautiful nude. It's just like an everyday nude. I really, really love it when I'm doing like a warm tone dye. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. The next shade I have is 90210. This is the shade 90210. This is like a pinky pink. A really pinky pink. On me at least. I'm quite fair skinned. But that is just such a beautiful shade. 90210. Love it. And then last but not least, we have the Hydra Matte in Everything Nice. This is also another nude. Basically, right, I just like nude lips. I love wearing nude. I think it's just so beautiful. So this is the shade Everything Nice, and that is that one right there at the end. They are all absolutely beautiful. They dry down so beautifully. They're comfortable on the lips. They're lovely to wear. I'd really recommend you getting your hands on these guys. The next thing that I'm going to talk to you about is I've only got one of these because I haven't ordered any more. These are the metal mattes. So these are the Hydra mattes, but these are the metal ones. And I have mine, obviously, in the shade Rose Gold. And oh my god, this is stunning. Like, you could not get any more rose gold if you tried. It's actually beautiful, and I hope you can see it on camera. It's this shade here. Oh my god, it's just beautiful. It's like a proper rose gold, not a crusty rose gold. It's beautiful. So one of the other products that I've been using all the time, literally every single day, which isn't a lie because I am that vain, is their mirrors. They're just such a nice, really nice like size, like you can see your whole face. Do you know what I mean? You know how some mirrors, like they're a little bit weird, and they're like when you're at like the circus and you look a bit funny, but this is a true mirror and it's such a lovely size and it's not too heavy. Sometimes they can be too heavy. This is beautiful and I love it. The next product I have is the glitter lipstick in the shade Hollywood Boulevard. Oh god, I don't want to look at it. There we go. Can we first of all talk about this packaging? To die for. So this is their glitter lipstick in the shade Hollywood Boulevard, and I'll do a little swatch for you guys. The good thing about their glitter lipsticks is they're not crunchy, like they don't, you know, like exfoliating start, like they're not like that. I wonder if you can see what that looks like with the beauty lights. Oh yeah. So that is Hollywood Boulevard. That's one of their glitter lipsticks, and I haven't actually worn this out yet, and I'm so excited to. I'm waiting for like a really nice event so that I can glisten with my lips. Yeah. Right, the next things that I have are their Colour Your Smile lip glosses, and I've got two of these. I have got the shade Madison Avenue, which is what I'm wearing right now, and I also have the shade Nude. Madison Avenue, and that's Nude. They are both beautiful. I absolutely love them, and they're not like a sticky gloss. They're really smooth and they stay on for ages, so I really like these. The next thing changed my life, and it is their Slay All Day setting spray. Now this, I can't tell you how much I love it. Like I'd have, you know how like die hard I was for the Morphe Prep and Set Mist. I haven't rebought one since August last year because I've used this so much. I have mine in the scent Lavender, but I've also got a coconut one which is in my handbag, like literally right there, because I use it all the time. But these have such a lovely spray. Oh my god. And the smell, I actually can't get over it. So what I do is I fan myself down after I've sprayed, and then I get a really, really dewy look from these. Some people say they make a matte, but I don't know, maybe mine's being nice to me. But this makes me so dewy, and it keeps my makeup on. It actually keeps it on, unlike other setting sprays. And the last product that I want to speak to you guys about is what I've got on my brows at the minute, and that is their Brow Bar to Go. And I have mine in the darkest shade because I dye my eyebrows. I have mine in the shade Medium to Ebony, and I've actually got this on my brows at the minute, so I'm going to take that brush out because it's a little bit crusty. But so yeah, it's 3 different colours. They're all packed. 2 of them are powders and one's a cream, like a primer. And it's a really, really pigmented formula. I don't know if you can see it on there. But I do it to just fill in. So like wherever I'm missing brows, it's got a little mirror as well. So wherever I'm missing brows, I just sort of... And then I use like a brow setting gel on top, and my brows are slayed. So that is it, guys. That is all of my PR box unboxed and shown and swatched and coloured, and I've probably got it everywhere. So if you guys want to save some coin when you're buying some Gerard Cosmetics, then you can use the code ELLSBELLS1 at checkout and you can get 30% off of your whole order. But yeah, guys, so just to wrap it up, be sure and check out my lash brand, Wispy Winks. We are on Instagram, Twitter, and obviously we have our website. I would honestly really appreciate it if you guys could check it out because I'm so proud, and I just want to say a thank you to my partner David for helping me with all the stuff that I couldn't do, all the stuff on the computer and bits of software that I have no idea what to do with. He has honestly been an angel and I love him to bits. If you can follow me on Instagram, it's ELLSBELLSBEAUTY. On Twitter, I am Ellie Jo Turner, but you can search ELLSBELLSBEAUTY and I'll come up. Obviously, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. if you want to know when I upload. Please go and check out Gerard Cosmetics, as they are an amazing brand and their owner Jen is an absolute angel. And Jen, if you're watching, thank you so much for the opportunity for working with your brand. I really appreciate it, and I love you. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.